I have never been on a boat quite like this before. The amenities, the food, the cuisine, the warmth of the crew, the happiness of the crew, the helpfulness of the crew made this a special experience.
Obviously, I love the ship itself. Just the design of the ship is incredible. So that's the first thing that hits you. It's seeing bits of the river which are so far away from civilization. So being out in the middle of nowhere on the Mekong River or the Travelstoke River, and you're the only tourist for miles.
We have a 5-star luxury hotel with the most unbelievable food that brings you to all these amazing cultural places, and it makes it as easy as possible just to get off the boat onto the skiff, and it's quite an experience.
What I like about the boat, it's cool in feeling, very comfortable, spacious suites, food was amazing, and staff were outstanding.
I'd have to say the biggest surprise about the trip was the friendliness of the people after they've been in such a war-torn environment for so many years. They seem to have recovered, they're very positive about tourism, they're very positive about their country, so it's great to see.
Being on the Aqua Mekong was one of the most incredible experiences I've ever had. I'd like to say that given the opportunity, I would do this again and again and again.